Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. To see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So for this video, you'll be needing some tweezers, your eyelashes of course, and some glue. So right here you see me just blowing the glue because you want it to be kind of tacky. You don't want it to be super watery. That's how it's going to stick to your eyelash. So right here, I'm just applying it with the tweezer, and it may be easier to apply the end or the beginning part. It depends on you, but for me, it's easier to apply the end first, and then I go back in and apply the beginning. And it's okay if extra glue gets like on your eyelid, because once it dries, you can always go back and clean it. So right here, you just see me kind of like grabbing my eyelash and the strip eyelash, and I'm kind of like squeezing it, pressing it together to make sure the glue is sticking. And you kind of want to make sure you're grabbing your eyelashes, but not too hard. You just want to, like, make sure it's on there, and make sure your eyelashes are like blending with the strip lash. And so as you can see, it works. So now I'm just moving on to the next eyelash, and again, I am applying from the front this time to the back. So yeah, pretty much just do it how you feel. I'm using tweezers because for beginners it's easier to use tweezers than your hand, but normally I would use my hand. And so now I'm just going back in and making sure the glue is sticking to my my lash line. So after you make sure your eyelashes is good and intact, I'm going to go back in and put some mascara on my lashes. Mainly because to me it helps my natural lashes and the strip lash blend more cohesive together. So I'm just really going back in to put it on my natural lashes, and I also apply a little bit to the strip lash as well. It kind of like enhances it a little bit. This part is totally optional. It's up to you. This is just my next step in the process. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Until next time.